Where do you want to go?
Outside.
Why?
Go.
What's out there?
Strawberries.
Is it ready?
Yep.
What color is it?
And red.
Okay.
Let's go get it.
Let's go get it.
Red.
Good. Get them. You want me to get it?
Yep.
Okay.
Red.
All right, let's get them. One. Here, hold this one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And two. Okay. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
What?
Here, let's go eat them.